Big vibes. Don't kill me. Stay blessed, say less. It's your boy BLKFinesse. Do not kill me. I know I've been gone. I know I've been inactive. Bro, it's for good reason. I've been doing this Madden content for 2 months straight. I've been gone. I understand I've been gone. I didn't forget about y'all. Just bear with me. I know I ain't losing none of y'all, did I? Please, please. I'm sorry. But welcome back. We here. Alright, so we're here to watch your boy Redside yet again with amazing animations. You know, you gotta come through for your boy. You gotta come through for your boy. This one's speed comparison 3D ocean life. So I guess we're going to see how fast these sea creatures can move throughout the ocean. Let's get it. Alright, so we got the Japanese rice fish. 0.8 miles an hour, so it's pretty slow. It's pretty slow. I'm actually intrigued with this. I'm not sure how fast real ocean. I'm not sure how fast like fish really can move. This is 0.85. Is that really how slow they're moving, or are they just like chilling? That's an eel, American eel, tater tots. Okay, nice little advertise. The narwhal. 2.48 miles. Fish really can move that slow? I thought fish move faster than that. Hey, Dory. I don't know what they're called though. What fish is this called? Blue tang. Ah, okay. 3 miles an hour. And the average human goes about what, 18 miles an hour? I think. It's not 15. Clownfish, Mr. Marlin, that boy Nemo. Wait, no. If Marlin was that fast, how was he not able to chase Dory and Nemo, bro? Because she was really outrunning cuz. Just think about that. Uh-oh, swordfish. Or sawfish. Bro, no way they're that slow, bro. I think y'all going by the cruising speed. Not if they're really chasing somebody. Ew. Is that his nose? I like his eyes for a second. I thought jellyfish were actually slow. I didn't know they was able to move 4 miles an hour. 4.5 after that. The right whale. That's the right whale. Not the wrong whale, the right whale. What else we got here? The North American river otter and the sockeye salmon. Okay. Okay. Shark. What about the average human being? The megalodon? How y'all know the megalodon was able to go 11 miles an hour? I don't believe that. I don't believe that. Hospital sea turtle. There you go. I truly hope this background music ain't copyright, bro. That'd be real sick. You know, I don't know. I think I'm gonna turn it off for now, y'all. I'm not sure about. I'm not exactly sure about this background music, but the humpback whale. You know, I'm gonna leave it on. I'm gonna leave it on. We just gonna hopefully we gonna see. There's piranha. Damn, piranha's faster than the average running being. No. The squid. 19 miles an hour. So these jokers can swim faster than we can run. I hate squids, bro. Like, they just hit that fat ass eye. The moray eel. Bro, okay. Yeah. I'm gonna just cut out the audio. I just feel like it's copyright, bro. I ain't trying to rock with it. The manatee. The Mr. Ray from Nemo. 21 miles an hour. So the fastest human being, Usain Bolt, who's able to run, bottlenose dolphin, he ran what, 22 miles an hour, 23 at top speed. No way a sea turtle. But they're so slow on land, bro. I guess because they're lighter that way. I don't like the way their mouth look, bro. Giant manta ray. Ew, like why their mouth look like that? Uh-oh. I forgot the hammerhead or something. Hey, I remember that. Let's go. So at this point, a common octopus can swim over 24 miles an hour? Come on, bro. I hate the look of squids, bro. A giant squid. Them Jones be the size of like 2 buses, right? And a regular penguin, they be kicking it. And they just gotta, you know, move their body or whatever. Come on, bro. This is crazy. Defend well. Okay. I'll bring it back. Okay, stingray. Stingray's a mighty fast. Whoa. The blue whale swims faster than the majority of them jokers out there? Okay, no wonder I've been seeing like, you know, science fiction cartoon vids of them riding a whale and how fast it can go. Caribbean reef shark. Short fin mako shark. I just hate how fast sharks are. Like, sharks are very like annoying and dangerous, bro. They just ruin the fun out of like being in the ocean. But it's part of the ecosystem, I guess. Stop. We have flying fish? Stop, bro. Long-nosed gar. Yo, stop playing with me, bro. Beluga sturgeon. Stooges. I'm sorry, I'm now starting to get scared because the great white shark, 34 miles an hour. So basically, you have to have a boat in order to outrun it. The orca killer whale swims that fast? I hate, yo. And the killers, me and water don't get along, bro. Like, I don't like water. I can't swim. Like, I'm very intermediate. As long as my feet can touch the ground, I can swim. But nah, bro. Like, knowing something's coming at you that fast, and the average human being can only swim up to what? 5 miles an hour? If I'm wrong, correct me. Bonefish, 39 miles an hour. Jeez. Yo, the tuna? How would we be catching tuna fish, first of all? I mean, the same way you're catching your other fish, you gotta use a net. But still, bro, that's crazy. Nah, that joint moving. Albacore. Jones is almost going 50 miles an hour, bro. These jokers' tails is my. Oh, is that what we eat? The waffle. Never mind. Where are his eyes? Oh, that joint's little. Okay. Swordfish. Damn jokers be moving. 62 miles an hour? Okay, so the swordfish is the fastest fish? Sailfish. Anything with a sharp nose because it's more aerodynamic with the nose, I guess. Is that why? Them jokers moving. 82 miles an hour? Nah, go ahead. fastest fish? That's crazy. The sailfish is the fastest fish in the ocean. Good animation, redside. I'm scared though. Subscribe to your boy, but I'm scared though. Like, that's 82 miles an hour. Even though I don't really know what sailfish is, not like it's gonna really go kill you, but you'll be swimming for maybe 10 to 20 seconds just to get a yard, but a sailfish can get there in an instant, bro. Like, that's weird. I don't like that, bro. Me and water already don't get along, so. But it is what it is. Shout out to your boy Redside. I am back, officially, with the reactions. Hit that subscribe button for me and him. It's your boy BLKFinesse. We out, dog.